At Plumbing Solutions, we advocate a preventative approach to plumbing problems. In today's video, we're going to talk about the common spring plumbing problems that homeowners experience, so you can nip them in the bud before they become bigger ones later on. That's going to save you a bunch of time and money in the long run. During the cold weather, pipes can fill with frozen water and cracks. As the weather warms up in the spring, your pipes expand and could widen to leak further. That's why getting your pipes inspected is critical to the spring plumbing maintenance plan. If you're experiencing low water pressure, that's usually a symptom of larger plumbing issues, so make sure you pay attention. Whether it's a block in the system or the consequences of winter pipe leaks, a professional plumber can help you get to the source of the issue and prevent the problem. As plants begin to grow and stretch out their roots during the spring to seek out nutrients and water, they can damage your sewage lines, leading to backups throughout your property. Since these types of lines are buried deep underground, they usually require special monitoring equipment to assess their condition, so keep that in mind. Ensuring your sewer lines are in good condition is a critical aspect of proper drainage. Another thing to take a look at is your sump pump. The critical components keeps your home from flooding and should be cleaned and tested before the spring rains come around. Your outdoor spigots can get cracked or damaged during a winter freeze. Oftentimes, these issues aren't discovered until you turn them on and flood the area. A thorough plumbing inspection will bring attention to these often neglected fixtures. At Plumbing Solutions, we conduct full home plumbing health and safety inspections in homes throughout the Nashville and surrounding areas. Get your home's plumbing ready for this spring by scheduling your inspection today. We can't wait to hear from you. Have a great day.